Hello, in this video I will build a simple clamp rack that can hold all different sorts of clamps. The rack is designed in such a way that the clamps can fall from the rack. I start by cutting the strips at the front to length. The front is inclined by 7 degrees, so both sides have to be trimmed accordingly. Next, I'm marking the length and cutting the strips for the back part. To connect the front with the back, I'm cutting 2 sets of shorter strips, each with a 7-degree angle on one side. To connect the parts, I'm using screws, so I can easily disassemble it one day if I want to. After that, I'm attaching the strips that will hold the clamps. I'm adding 2 strips of wood on the back, and then I'm adding the rest of strips for the clamps. The distance between them is adjusted to the clamp length and can easily be changed in the future if I hopefully get more clamps. That's it, and thanks for watching.